students. Today we are going to read chapter 1 of class 8 English, that is When I Failed. So by this topic, When I Failed, by this title, what you understand, what is coming in your mind? When I failed means failed in the examination, or failed in any other activity, or failed in the life. What do you mean? Yes, it is not just about only the examination. It is in your life when you have failed. This lesson is written by Abdul Kalam, and this story is also based on Abdul Kalam. Means the character of this story is Abdul Kalam himself, and the writer also Abdul Kalam. His full name is Dr. Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Okay. Now I will give a brief introduction of Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam was born in 1931 and he was died in 2015. Specialized in aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. He was having an engineering degree from Madras Institute of Technology. Okay. He was one of the most distinguished scientists of India. We all know that, right? That he was a renowned scientist of our country. Dr. Kalam has been awarded the Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and also India's highest civilian award, that is Bharat Ratna. He was awarded by many rewards. Okay, Dr. Kalam became the 11th President of India on 25th July 2002. That you all know, right? Okay, so I will give you the brief introduction of the story first. Before that, you have to do one activity. What you have to do? You have to write your name on a piece of paper. Okay, first you have to write your name on a piece of paper. आपको एक पेपर पे अपना नाम लिखना है, ठीक है? You have written? Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to write your name again with another hand. If you are writing with right hand, you have to write with left hand. अगर आप right hand से लिखते हैं तो अब आपको वापस से नाम लिखना है. Again you have to write the name with left hand. ठीक है? Write this 4 times. 4 बार लिखिए अपना नाम. Now what you observe after writing? Do this activity, huh? When you are doing this activity, when you have written your name 4th time, it will be little bit clear. जब आपने 4th time अपना नाम लिखा होगा तो वो थोड़ा सा clear होगा. Means practice. Okay. So practice makes a man perfect, and hope is the greatest thing which we have in our life. If we are having hope and we are ready to do the hard work, we can get success. So do this activity and try this, and share it with me when you are coming to the school. Okay. Now see this proverb. Let your failure be your motivation to success. Your failure is your greatest motivation for your success. If you are getting less marks in exam, if you are not able to understand something, if you are not getting, if you are not able to play any game, so what do you have to do? You have to try again and again, and that failure is your motivation for your success. Understand? Yes. So from today you have to remember this proverb when you are getting failed in any of the situation of your life. Let your failure be your motivation for success. Right? Okay. So now I am giving a brief introduction of the chapter. Abdul Kalam was a student of aeronautics at Madras Institute of Technology. Okay. There he was studying, and there his teacher gave him a task, and he was a brilliant student, one of the brilliant student of the institute. One day his teacher has given him a task and he was not able to give his 100% in the task. एक दिन उनके टीचर ने उन्हें कोई टास्क दिया और उन्होंने वो काम अच्छे से नहीं किया, and his teacher was very disappointed with him, and his teacher was angry also. So his teacher gave him the task to redo the task. He told him to do the task again. उनके टीचर ने उसे बोला कि वापस ये टास्क करो, और उन्हें 2 दिन का टाइम दिया, and he had come up with a very good innovation. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा इनोवेशन किया और उस टास्क को बहुत अच्छे से कंप्लीट किया. Then his teacher was very happy and he appreciated him. So beta, you have to remember this thing कि if your teacher is giving you any task, if your teacher is scolding you, if your teacher is pressuring you to do something, that is for your benefit, not for the teacher's benefit. So you have to remember that. Don't get angry at that time. Be cool and try to understand the situation why the teacher is giving you this kind of treatment or this kind of punishment. So you have to be strong there, and again remember this: failure be your motivation to success. Okay. So there he passed the graduation and his degree of engineering. Then he got interview calls from two departments, DTDS and P, Delhi, and one more from Air Force Selection Board. First he went for the interview for Delhi and he was selected there. Then he went for the Air Force Selection Board. He was keenly interested in Air Force Selection Board. He wanted to do the job of Air Force. There he was not selected. There only he got the 9th position there, and there only the post vacant were 8. So he was not selected there. वहाँ पर 9th रैंक उनकी बनी थी और 8 लोगों को ही वहाँ पर पोस्ट खाली थी, तो उनको वहाँ पर सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ. He was very disappointed. He was very sad, and it was his dream to become an Air Force job. He was keenly interested in Air Force job. So he was not selected. He was very disappointed. Then he stand near the sea and he deeply think, and then he joined DTDS, Senior Scientific Assistant at DTD and S. DTD and P. This is the institute name. There he joined as Scientific Assistant. Okay. So what he thought, that many options are there. We should not go for one option. If that option is not open for us, there are many options. जिंदगी में बहुत सारी चीजें करने को है. अगर हम एक बार फेल हो जाते हैं तो उससे हमें डरना नहीं चाहिए. We have many things to do in life. So this is the outline of the story I have given. In the next video I will explain each and every line of the chapter. Thank you.